Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Part 3 of 6 of our Build-A-Figure Chud Wave series. And we're going to go and look at A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Let's go! Okay, so we have here part 3 of our 6-part series for the Build-A-Figure Chud Wave of Marvel Legends. And we're looking at X-Men's Monet Saint Croix. Or Cross, I would say. So I think Croix is the French for cross. Okay, so it's just, it's either a cross or an X. Okay, so Monet Saint Croix. Okay, so you can see here the figure in the front of the box. Okay, and she is, as we said, the third out of the 6 figures we need for the Chud Wave. She should contain or go together with the left foot of Chud. Okay, and then on the other side is an illustration of the character. Okay, and at the back, the character is posing. And we should see as well an alternate hands for Monet. Okay, so M is obviously the short for Monet. Okay, I think Monet Saint Croix is also a shorter name. If I'm not mistaken, her real name is really long, like Monet, Yvette, Maria, Clarice, Therese, Saint Croix. Okay, so all the saints, I guess, female saints. Okay, so but before we open the figure, let's go ahead, put it on the side, and look at some Heroclix figures we have for M. Okay, and she appeared first in the set Wolverine and the X-Men, and this is her. Okay, so she is a super rare in the set. You can see that the uniform is not yet, is different. Okay, this is the Generation X uniform, typical. Okay, so this is I think a more classic uniform. Okay, so you can see she has that upper punch effect. Okay, treatment, and let's see her card. M. Okay, Generation X, X-Core, and X-Factor. 200 points if you play her at 200 points. Not tired, just tired of you is the trait. M can use willpower. That's what she get only for 200 points. For an extra 50 points, not so good. And then she has a special attack power. Why, yes, I have a healing factor. At the beginning of your turn, you may roll a d6 on a result of 3 to 6. Heal M of 1 damage. That's good. Okay, so she has a healing factor. She also has super strength and also a telepath. Okay, so a bunch of powers. And she's also a Muslim. She is a Muslim mutant. So diversity, I guess, is one of the trends in recent and as well as in modern comics. She also has a special defense power, healing factor overdrive. M can use invulnerability and regeneration, and a special damage power, genius intellect. 2. M can use outwit and perplex. So simply put, she can seem to do everything and anything that you want for a mutant. Okay, Monet Saint Croix, the first appearance is Uncanny X-Men number 361. Let's read the flavor text. Let's finish this script. Run from my past fast. You didn't know I could read your mind? Grab something to hit you with. Superior, excellent rating in all physical aspects. The peak of mutant perfection. Okay, now you've done it. So, all big words for M. Okay, so, and well deserved. Okay, so she's been a member of X-Factor. Yeah, really powerful mutant. Okay, M might also stand for mutant. I'm not so sure. Okay, the next time we see M is in the Savior set, okay, X-Men and the Savior set, and you can see she's now donning the Marvel Legends suit, okay, the Generation X uniform, okay, and she's darker now. I don't know if it's the same individual. There are three Saint Cross sisters, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so but anyway, we'll not get into the lore so much. Generation X and X Factor as the keywords. Monet Saint Croix, Generation X as a shared trait, which is power, move up to 5 squares, then make a close attack. That's like a charge. And special damage power, genius intellect, and perfect memory. Yeah, she has an eidetic memory as well. At the beginning of your turn, if an opposing character use outwit since your last turn, M can use outwit until your next turn. At the beginning of your turn, if an opposing character use perplex since your last turn, M can use perplex until your next turn. So she can basically copy outwit and perplex from an opposing character if they use it last turn. So this is the comics cover for Generation X number 1. Just the front of the cover. For 90 points, she starts off with hypersonic, and for 50 points, she starts off with charge. Okay, so yeah, that is M. Okay. And finally, we have a related character, which is Penance. So Penance, you can see here, she looks very menacing. Okay, like a demon even, with diamond tough skin and red hair. Okay, so Penance is also Generation X, loners and monster. Okay, haven't seen loners keyword for the longest time. Real name is Monet, Nicole, and Claudette Saint Croix. Okay, so as I said, three Saint Croix sisters. So I think they've been trapped inside this character, okay, Penance, okay, and all their power sets are mixed into one, okay. But if I'm not mistaken, in the recent run of X-Men Krakoa Age, Monet can, or M can, switch back and forth between his human form and his Penance form. Diamond Hard and Razor Edge is the special attack power. Blades, Claws, Fangs. Penance may use it during close attacks instead of close actions, including the Gen X shared trait. Okay, so 75 points. Yeah. Okay. Character selected for Heroclix by Felix Huge, 2016. Heroclix UK National Champion. So thank you, Felix, for bringing this figure to Heroclix form. Okay, so those are the three M's, triple M's that we have. So let's put them on the side and go ahead. Look at our main highlight of this episode. So we're not going to keep the box anyway for this figure. So let's hope everything is complete, because the packaging has no window, the new packaging rather. So there is a risk that you might not get what you see. Okay, but so far, quality has been good, and it seems like it is continuing. So we have here the back part for Chod. Yeah, this seems to be a left foot. Okay. Then we have, what's this? The alternate hands for M. Alternate hands for M. And then the figure itself. There you go. Ooh. I like this. I like the detail of the face. Okay. She looks really ethnic. Okay. So that really reflects on her face. Joints are good. There's a shoulder pad here. Okay. Everything seems good. Nice boots and what do we call it? Arm covers. Okay, so let's pose her as this figure. It's the closest one. So let's cross her legs. Her right leg up. And she seems to be charging or flying a little. Okay, let's reflect that here. I like the flexibility. Okay, and she's charging up. Close fist. Let's change her fist into an action fist. There you go. Then she's facing that way. Okay. The hair gets in the way of head movement. Okay, but I guess that's it. That's the best we can do for the pose at the moment. So that is M. You can see her charging up to ready to take down enemies of the X-Men, both in the US and worldwide. So bye bye everyone. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you on part 4 of our series. Bye bye.